AI banks discovered a new way to automate the rental industry. If you're listing your property right now, it may not be a bad idea to take advantage of our AI no-cost 33 website property listing features, including Zillow. That's right. AI Banks now has free property advertising generating qualified renters for landlord investors nationwide. AI Bank's Property Management Tenant Locators is a PropTech AI company. While technology is great for rental properties, we avoid technical errors by strategically running technology through AI platforms and bank leasing structures. This guarantees rent payments for landlords while covering damages at no out-of-pocket costs with the help of insurance partners and banks working with our AI. We're not a traditional property management company. We've combined agents and AI working together, not one replacing the other. We're not following the 1980s unevolved practices of most property management companies today. All AI and property managers are on one platform to create efficiency. We're having your back as a landlord investor. You're not without protection with long-term or short-term rentals.
I can appreciate how it all started. Like 50 years ago, our CEO's fathers started out as an investor in the city of Chicago. So being raised in the industry and becoming a bonds trader helped change the family business drastically. We wanted to build a company and a community with relationships and helping renters become homeowners. We know you can't build an economy without stability. It was important to go national after beta testing certain markets around the country. Our system had to be bulletproof. While the traditional models barely survived the pandemic, we were leasing remotely, utilizing technology, and creating smart homes with bank leases to guarantee success for all parties without risk. We covered 9 states at a time, and we patented a system that stemmed from non-selfishness and brought humanity to the financial world again. Although AI Banks utilizes AI, we haven't forgotten at the end of the day. This is about people. We found a way to grow real estate through rental estate.
AI Banks was the first and only property management company in the world to introduce bank leasing to the rental industry. Landlords could now lease and increase profits with AI Banks without risk. Although some said it sounds too good to be true, we asked investors to Google rental default insurance. After that, there was nothing to discuss except how is this paid for without any extra costs to the landlord. In changing the way we think, it changed the way we performed, and that meant the rental game is now secure and profitable with very little to no risks.
The last stick of the challenge was remote showings and home automation. Of course, we utilize the latest features in home automation by partnering with Ripple Secure among other home automation. With all cost included and covered with our property management technology structure, we have increased the value of the home and help with discounts from day one. That's also protecting your investment property in every aspect from the very beginning of our private partnership with landlord investors. From 1974, passing down generations of knowledge tied to automation.
We couldn't expect the world to stay the same. We had to redirect property management to the benefit of families, and that brought more property value to the areas of landlord properties. So by working with AI Banks, rental property values are increasing rather than declining. And that's the whole reason you become an investor, to move forward, not stagnate or go backwards. We are eager to get behind families who are building forward.
Today, AI Banks partners are backing rental leases to eliminate rental risks across the country with bonded leases and increased profits every year. Thanks to AI Banks, inquire about expanding your rental property across over 33 websites and lease in 72 hours or less with full no-cost management utilizing AI.